Can I get Peacock on LG TV? Yes, Peacock is available on many LG smart TVs, but its availability depends on the TV model and WebOS version. LG TVs running WebOS 3.5 or later, 2017 and newer models, support the Peacock app. If your LG TV does not support Peacock natively, alternative methods like casting or using an external streaming device can help you access the service. 1. Checking if your LG TV supports Peacock. To check if your LG TV is compatible, press the Home button on your remote. Open the LG Content Store. Use the search function to look for Peacock. If the app appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need an alternative method. 2. Installing Peacock on a supported LG TV. If your LG TV supports Peacock, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the LG Content Store. Search for Peacock in the available apps. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in with your Peacock account, and start streaming. 3. Using an external streaming device for Peacock. If Peacock is not available on your LG TV, you can connect an external streaming device that supports the Peacock app, such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast with Google TV, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply install the Peacock app on your external device, sign in, and start streaming. 4th, casting Peacock from a mobile device. If your LG TV does not support the Peacock app, you can cast it from your phone, tablet, or computer using AirPlay for Apple devices, or Screen Share for Android devices. Make sure your LG TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Peacock app on your mobile device. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast, or use AirPlay for Apple devices. Select your LG TV and the content will play on your screen. If your LG TV is compatible, you can install and stream Peacock directly. If not, using an external device or casting option allows you to watch Peacock on your TV. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can enjoy Peacock with ease.